Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts on the Thai Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Trips button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can find the Add to Siri button at the top of the screen, so tap on it. And here you can add this Siri shortcut. Here Siri show first upcoming trip, so you can add this phrase to Siri, and when you say this instruction it will show your first upcoming trip on the Thai Airways application. If you want to change this phrase, you can tap on the record phrase button and then say your customized phrase, and then it will be added to Siri. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.